Hey girl, it is Natasha with Simply Adorable Creations, and I have another fun craft for you that is going to look awesome on your tier tray decor display. So I grabbed a cube, an unfinished cube from the craft aisle of Dollar Tree. It comes with a little drawer, but you don't need that. I took that out, and now what you have is a wooden box. So what I'm going to do is kind of stain it with some brown acrylic paint that I got from any craft store. I took some wipes. You're going to need two. One to kind of wipe the paint on and another to wipe the paint off, and I put it on all four sides and the bottom. So you're just going to put the paint on there and with one wipe, and then take the other wipe and wipe some of it right off. Super simple, right? And so I just put it on there. Now I have a little piece of foam that I cut down to the size of the wood crate and of the wood box, and I'm just going to put it in there and grab some florals. Just smush it on in there just like that, and then I'm going to grab some florals. Like I said, I got these from Michael's. You can grab them from Dollar Tree, Hobby Lobby, anywhere. And because I have that foam in there, all I have to do is just start kind of pretending like I am a master florist and just sticking items in there. Now, I am not a master florist by any means. I just put things in there the way I think it will look good for my displays. Now, one thing about this is that you can grab neutrals if you want to use this display for all year round, or if you want to be more seasonal, you can grab flowers or picks that go along with the season. So for Christmas, you could do a poinsettia. For Halloween, you could do some pumpkins, anything that you want to use. All right, friends, how easy is that? We made a really cute display piece that you can use on your tiered tray decor, or on your mantle, or your shelf decor, or your Easter table. And also, I went and grabbed our free printable and paired from this month. Make sure you go over to the website and grab it. And I paired it with this really cute centerpiece. I think it turned out awesome. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a like and hit subscribe for more videos.